Hi and welcome to a video as a member of the creative crew for Canvas Corp brands. Today I come to you with a 5-page mini album. I will also have a flip through at the end of the video. I'm gonna show you some of the steps how I tackle a mini album. It isn't a quick 15-minute project, but step by step you can make a beautiful mini album with the Paperpad from the 7 Gypsies and Kraft stock from Canvas Corp brands. Here you did see me preparing the hinges for the pages. For the base I did use bulk Kraft paper, which comes in different sizes. The 12 by 24 inch is perfect for making covers in one piece. Of course you also need a good glue and some strong double-sided tape. I cut back the corners before I fold over the paper, but make sure that I leave about 2 mm. It helps if you take, for example, a ruler and mark it. If you cut too close, you're gonna see the cardboard peeking through. Here I'm folding in the excess first. I glue in some ribbons which I have colored with some Tattered Angels sprays. I'm gonna use them to close the book. Whenever I glue big pieces together, I go in with a roller or bone folder and make sure that everything is glued down tightly. Next, I'm preparing the base for the pages. I like to glue them together in the middle. Some others like it at the edge of the pages. As decorative paper, I did use about half a pad from 7 Gypsies Ordre du Jour, Order of the Day, and with some sprays in red and olive from Tattered Angel I did color the corrugated papers. I like working with the products from Canvas Corp brands. Besides that they have cool designs, their papers are all made from recycled materials and they print with soy inks. Back to the mini album. Here I'm preparing a flip out for one of my pages. I do prepare all my pages before I glue them to the hinges. It seems easier for me, but if you have a pattern that has a certain direction, you have to check that you glue them down correctly. Been there, done that, so from time to time you see me checking if it is in the right direction or not. As I said, it takes some time to make a mini album. I recorded about 2 hours and 20 minutes and didn't film everything. Still, I had to cut out and speed up the video. In case it is now too fast for you, choose your own speed. On a desktop computer down below the video on the right, or on a tablet at the top in the right corner of the video. Now enjoy the process. I will step in when there is something to say, but for the moment I'll leave you with some music. To get an even cutout every time on a pocket, I have marked with a black marker how far I can go with the circle punch. In the middle of the mini album I had what I call a multi-flip out. I need a 12 by 12 paper and have to score it and then cut it in the proper way. For this page I added a gate opening and inside I will have a tuck spot. I do cut the hinges in an angle, which makes it much easier to slide on the pages. I did add some decorative paper to a self-adhesive clear epoxy sticker to make a matching embellishment. The last step for me is always making the inserts for the page pockets. As with all the other tags, cards, mini envelopes and whatnot, I use the scraps from the same paper pad, so just don't throw them away. And here a little flip through. First a flip up, then a pocket with tags, here the multi-flip, the gate opening with the tuck spot, with the little card and the little mini envelope, and the last page is a flip down. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time!